DND on the contact field is accessible inside of any contact section under this DND tab here. When you go to the DND tab, there's a few different pieces that you want to remember. These are all about outbound messages. So each of these is about you being able to send messages to the contact. When the DND is selected like this, it is checked on, and that is saying that you are not able to send messages from you to the contact. The contact can unsubscribe, which will automatically turn on the DND by clicking unsubscribe or replying stop or any other component of blocking or choosing not to be subscribed to your messages anymore. If the DND is on all channels, that means you are not able to send any messages in any of the platforms here. This does not stop the participant from being able to send messages to you, however, unless you toggle on the inbound calls and SMS. Inbound messages refers to the contact being able to call you. So if you check this on, they will not be able to send you messages via text or to be able to call your phone number through the software. Then the contact has the option to unsubscribe at any time from either of these pieces. When they choose to unsubscribe, this box will be checked on. You can also now manage subscriptions in how you are able to send messages depending on how you've set this up. So if you have certain types of messages that you'd like to send, whether they're marketing versus appointment bookings, you can set those preferences and they can choose to subscribe or unsubscribe from different types of messages from you.